Lots to talk about on the future of Apollo, but we have to start with what we saw this morning. JPMorgan scooping up a First Republic. Your thoughts on this deal?
Strong gets stronger. I mean, JPMorgan has run a conservative balance sheet. They run a fortress balance sheet. In times of stress, they benefit. It's no more complicated than that. But I do think that this is not a huge story. I know it's this morning, so we'll talk about it, but the three banks that have failed, totally predictable. Mark-to-market losses on treasuries, well known. Structure of the deposit base, well known. To me, the interesting question is, what is the future of regional banking going forward when 42 billion of deposits can leave in 4 hours? Not like, did JP Morgan buy or not?
What is that future?
I think it's going to be interesting. I think we're not going to know for a while, but I look at the business model. They have always paid more for their deposits versus the money center banks. Now cost of deposits are up. They're going to have more regulatory costs, whether there's more regulation or not. Their cost of debt, their cost of equity is up. But most importantly, are deposits stable? Are they sticky funding? Can they run a loan book, a NIM or spread-based business? I'm not so sure. So when the dust settles, I think there will be a real shakeout as to what the business is of regional banking going forward.
Do you see more mergers in regional banking happening?
I think that's a possibility, and there will be some. Certainly we're watching the weak players get taken out now by the strong players. I think, as Jamie said this morning, it's probably the end, but I would say the end of round one. I think we still have a lot of commercial real estate stress in the system, which probably will give rise to some round two.